Unlock 3 Unit 6 Discovery and Invention. Access, to be able to enter or use something. Allow, to make it possible for somebody to do something. App, abbreviation for application, software designed for a particular purpose which you can download onto a smartphone or other mobile device. Contribution, something that you do to help produce or develop something, or to help make something successful. Create, to make something new or invent something. Device, a piece of equipment which is used for a particular purpose. Diagram, a simple picture which shows how something works or what it looks like. Discovery, an occasion when somebody discovers something. Industry, the companies and activities involved in the process of producing goods for sale. Install, to put new software onto a computer or mobile device. Make a comparison, to consider the similarities between two things. Make a contribution, to help to make something successful. Make a decision, to choose. Make a difference, to change something. Make an investment, to put money into something to make a profit. Make attempts, to try. Make improvements, to make something better. Make public, to share information about something. Outcome, the final result of an activity or a process. Product, something which is made to be sold. Scholar, somebody who has studied a subject and knows a lot about it. Technology, knowledge, equipment and methods used in science and industry. User, somebody who uses a product, machine or service. Weapon, an object used in fighting.